guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Steffany. Today we're going to be playing with makeup, you guys. Grab some brushes, grab an eye palette that you've been wanting to play with for some time. For me, this one arrived actually last week from my BoxyCharm subscription. It is the Ace Beauté Falling For You, and this is the only eyeshadow palette that I use to create this look. I love it. The colors here are really stunning, but you can recreate this with any color story that you would like. Also for the face, I'm using the Scott Barnes palette. So if you guys want to see the steps and exactly what I use to create this look, then keep on watching. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using this Ace Beauté Falling For You palette, and it came in my BoxyCharm box this month, you guys, and look at the shades. They are so pretty, and I figured I'm going to be using these here. So this one, and this one. Yeah, I don't know if I pull any other color, I'll tell you as I go along, but those are the three main shades here that I'm going to be working with. I am going to start with the darker shade. The darkest shade here is Chestnut, and go in with Scott Barnes 62 brush. Is there his blending brush. The crease and lower lash line, like so. Not lash line, the crease and lid space here. So the outer, I got this eyeshadow is super pigmented, a lot more pigmented than I thought. So I'm not gonna apply any more. And with the product I already have, I'm just gonna blend this in and have almost all the way, kind of like leave a quarter of the inner eye naked. But I am going to blend this everywhere else here, and I am going to drag that color down. Which is this one here on top. I'm just gonna blend it in with that all together, kinda, but stay underneath that. So I still want that like purple shade to be the one I have on the outer perimeter of my eye of the blending, and then bring this wine color more and focus it more on the crease and lid, if that makes sense. You guys, this is a super highly pigmented palette right here. Outer blending here, so up here and out here. This is the Scott Barnes 60, and go into the shade Apple. Over the lid area space here. I'm gonna use this brush kind of to like blend that in between. Now I am going to line the waterline, and I'm going to use this One Size Point Made, and it is in the shade Bodacious Black. Okay, and I'm also going to use this to do some tight lining as well. So I'm lifting up the lid and lining cone. So this shade right here, and I'm just going to blend out that lash line. I'm gonna do a liner, not too dramatic, but I am going to put on some lashes. So I'm going to use this Cleopatra ink, Blacker Than Black, y'all, and this is by Uoma Beauty. And there here. I lined the eyes. I did a small wing. And I'm going to take the Scott Barnes 67 brush, and I am going to take off that baking powder. So I am going to start by accentuating more my contour. For that, I'm going to go in with the shade Chisel, this shade right here, and I'm going to use the Scott Barnes 67 brush. This is gonna be like my basically everything brush, because I want to utilize it as much as possible. And I mean, you guys, this brush is amazingly soft. It blends the product in so nicely. So love. Now I'm going to take the Scott Barnes 61 brush, which is this super cool fanned out brush here, and go in that same shade Chisel, but this is to contour around my nose area. So I'm gonna take the brush and basically just swipe it down here, and while blending it into my brows too, so that it's seamless, and just bring it down, bring it all the way here. So this palette is the Cheek #1 palette, and look how pretty this one is here, you guys. Look at all those bright colored blushes. I'm gonna start actually with this highlighting on my nose. So then I'm gonna take the Anastasia A23 brush and apply some of that highlighting over here. Oh, it looks so pretty right there. This look, I'm gonna try this one, the Crush and Blush shade, which is this like plummy undertone, which I think will look really nice. And just, oh, that is so pretty. That is the perfect shade for the eyes. This Sigma Pencil E30 brush and apply some of this shade here, Showy, in the inner eye. Oh, and look how much more brighter that is, and brighten the inner eye area there, and then here. That looks very pretty. First, I'm gonna set the face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection. Mascara, and for mascara I'm using the Makiage Icon Mascara in black. And I'm just gonna do one coat because I will be applying some falsies. And I'm gonna apply mascara on the bottom lashes, and I'm using the same Makiage. You guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this more intense holiday, you know, starting to get excited for that date night, birthday looks. This could work for so many of those special occasions. I hope that you guys have enough of your own makeup and your own collection to try this look, or I inspire you to try any of these new. I definitely recommend this palette. It's so beautiful and highly pigmented and has like so many positives. I always am so excited whenever I receive a palette like this in my subscription boxes, because typically I would never pick it up just because the colors are like, seem very bold and very like uninviting, but these are so pretty on the skin. They blend really nice, so I definitely recommend. I've tried a few of Ace Beauty products and I'm always impressed, so definitely a brand that I would recommend to try. You guys, Scott Barnes, in specific, the tools here, just get used to these here. These these four actually, I cannot wait to add more of his brushes to my collection because they are absolutely unique, absolutely a must try, so luxurious. Like, I really, really love and enjoy using it. The palettes are really nice. I love how versatile they can be, and I cannot wait to try more looks. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.